If you've been feeling hot lately, you're not alone. According to data from the U.S. National Centers for Environmental Prediction, yesterday, July 4th, was Earth's hottest day on record.
Wow.
The average global temperature was 62.92 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now, some scientists say it's due to a combination of climate change, the return of the El Nino weather pattern, and the start of summer in the northern hemisphere. And there's a chance that today's temperatures will set a brand new record.
Chief Meteorologist Pete Cangiano now joins us with more on this possible record.
Yeah, it's amazing, and they say it could end up being today, it could end up being tomorrow. We could have more of these additional records, kind of just an indication that we are in a warming planet right here, and that could have some effects here across Hawaii. Of course, let's go ahead and take a look at what we can anticipate in this kind of warming environment. Now, with yesterday being the hottest day on record, when we look back at the records, they go about 44 years, but when we can look back on additional data and we kind of get an idea of what's been happening over the past few centuries, and scientists actually believe this is likely going to be the hottest day in the past few hundred years when it gets down to it. 1.8 degrees hotter than the average period from 1979 to 2000. Now, for Hawaii, what it means is the biggest concern, the potential for waters to warm around the island. So most of the energy from the sun's actually stored in the waters around the island. So when the waters warms, of course, that means our air temperature warms. And as a result, if we continue to see this warming, which we do expect, there is at least that possibility. It's a complex relationship with weather and temperature, but there's a possibility for more extreme weather. And here in Hawaii, the concerns are, of course, more droughts, potentially more severe weather. Those Kona lows get more powerful potentially, and the potential with warmer water temperatures for more powerful hurricanes. So that's why we watch this. And again, we'll continue to keep you up to date if we have additional hottest days on record, but that's kind of an amazing stat. We'll go ahead and take a look at what we had today. And we actually tied a record here locally, 87 in Lihue. That previous record was set back in 1981 at 87 degrees, but certainly warm weather out there. And we do have a few light trade showers that we're watching as we head out into the Mauka spots here across Oahu. We've got some scattered light showers, Manoa Valley area. Headed up the Puli, the Like, seeing some rainfall rates coming about 1/10 of an inch per hour. Mainly just Mauka of the H1, that's through Makiki as well. We'll expand on out. We'll show you some of the activity we have building in from the east, and we are expecting this rainfall to make its way towards the windward coast. So as we head out towards Kailua, Waimanalo, Kaneohe, Waikane, all the way up, we could see some of those showers start to increase past 8 o'clock. And then here in town, I think our rain chances start to go up past 8:30. So heads up, we do have an area of moisture offshore. Into Kauai, had some rain just moved through. That's going to move off to the west into Mauka spots. Didn't last very long. And any of this rain that does develop, it won't last all that long. So 15, 20 minutes, it moves on through Maui County, the Big Island, some scattered showers down through Puna. Surf, not all that big, pretty flat for northwest and south shores, 1 to 3 for east shore. Small craft advisories for Maui County into the Big Island. As for rainfall, a couple scattered showers overnight, potentially a few showers in the morning. Windward and Mauka, partly sunny for leeward spot or windward spots, mostly sunny for those leeward locations. Take you out to the Hurricane Tracking Center, 80% chance this area develops, a 30% chance this area south of Mexico develops, both in the eastern Pacific, both not a threat to Hawaii. Will be quiet for the next 7 days. For tonight, lows right around 75 degrees. Not a whole lot of changes with our weather over the next 4 days. Through Sunday, we'll have east winds at 10 to 20. Heading into Monday and Tuesday, we have some tropical moisture moving in. That could increase our rain chances just slightly early next week. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll talk about your island by island forecast coming up a little bit later. Rick and Mika.